Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I love being able to get out on my bike, but as we know, having our phone and anything with us is almost a necessity these days. That's why I love this bike basket from MATTISAM. So for one thing, I really love that it has a built-in phone holder at the top, and it's nice and clear, so I could use my phone for GPS if needed while I'm out on a bike ride. The bag itself is actually insulated, so I can put a snack in there or some cold water that will help me when I'm out on my bike rides. I really also like that the bag is big enough I can bring my wallet, my ID with me so that I can take a quick trip to the store and put a couple of things in the bag. It has 5 pockets, so I can literally store everything in it. And because it's really heavy duty Velcro, I don't worry at all that it will fall off of my bike, and it works with a variety of different style bikes as well. If I stop somewhere, I can even take the bag off, and it doubles as a shoulder bag. So this is awesome because it really helps commuters or if I'm running into shops. This bag is versatile, it's super durable. I love being able to have everything that I need with me, and it really feels like a grown-up bike basket. And that's my point of view.